Hi, I just wanted to give you some information about the Kids A to Z program. Your child should have a small card in their work packet that I dropped off last week that looks something like this. It'll have their name on it, it'll have a teacher username, a little robot guy, and then some pictures. All right, so what you do is you go to the website www.kidsatoz.com and then you type in the teacher username, which is TABEL123, and then click go, and then you find your child's name. It'll be under a circle, red or yellow circle. So we're going to pretend that we're Mary. Click on Mary's name, and then her password would be the cat and the banana, and press go. And then what I'll do is take you from here. We're going to look at, we have three main things I wanted to show you. The first one is the reading room, and if you click on the reading room, that's where your child can access different reading resources for reading practice and just for fun. They can find books from different topics that are leveled, fiction, there's things in Spanish, and then poems and songs. If you go to leveled books, you're going to see the screen here with all of these letters, and it's like rainbow colored. And most of the kids are going to be in levels AA through D. So if you go in there, then you can find books at these different levels to read. I'm going to go back to reading. Okay. Again, back in the reading room, you can find things by level or just by topic. Okay, there's lots of topics and opportunities and different things for your child to read. Okay, so that's in the reading room. So that's like what I call the library. Okay. Now, my assignments, if you click on my assignments, then you'll see that I've given Mary 2 assignments to read a book called Animals Can Move and then a story called Where. So if I click on one of the stories, Animals Can Move, it'll give you the choice to listen to it or to read it. So first you could start with listening to it. And it clicks on the story. I'm going to click on it.
Animals Can Move.
And it highlights the words as it
Written
reads.
by Pam Bull. The camel can walk. The horse can run.
All right.
So
I'm going to go back now to my assignment here and just show you what it looks like if you're going to read it. Then click on the story again, go back and just to read it. Then it would be, you would do the reading yourself. Then animals can move, and then you click on next. Animals can move. The camel can walk, and go on like that. I'm going to just click through the story. Okay, then we're done with it. Okay, and then I guess you can earn some rewards for reading your stories. Okay, I'm going to go back to home. Now, there's a quiz you can take after you've read the story, and then it'll look like this. It'll be the screen, and then each question you click the question, and then your answer, and go on. I'm not going to take the quiz right now, though, because we did not read the book. And back to reading, then the other thing you can look at here is level up. Okay. That is where there's books that your child can read, and then it will advance them to the next level, the Learning A to Z level. All right, so I'll click on that. So right now Mary's in a level B, and so if she finishes all of these, then it'll take her to level C. Now if you look up here at the top, there's 65 tasks left, so that's quite a few things to read through to get to level C, but that's just something else to look at. So the main thing I would say would be to look in the reading room, and then if I assign anything. I did give everyone a couple things to read in their own accounts just to try it out and everything, but check it out. Definitely something fun to look at. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.